That's great, but I haven't seen him today, have you?
I haven't seen him, have you?
Have you? That's a no.
No, you hang up first. No, I hung up first last time, silly Billy. You get to hang up first this time. You what?
Hey, to host the show. Go get ready.
I get to host the show?
Yep.
Hey, Mom, I gotta call you back. Bye.
Now are you guys ready? Yeah. Great, don't touch that dial. We'll be right back.
Previously on Sea Lion SI.
That looks like the work of the Barracuda, and I feel like her crimes have escalated, big guy. Last week we had a goldfish, and now this. Well, it's gonna be up to you and I to follow all this evidence, and we're gonna need to find that culprit. But before that happens, I think we should come up with a really good plan. You have something to say? What is it? Okay! You're absolutely right, Detective Clyde! Something real fishy is going on around here. Anyone? Bad joke, huh? Alright, I need you to stick close to me and follow my each and every move. Let's go. Right down there. Anything in there? Come on, stick close. Very nice work, Mr. Clyde, but we haven't found a thing. So tell you what, I think we need to split up. I'm gonna go search the back of the house, and you're gonna stay out here and keep your eyes open for Barracuda. She's gotta be around here someplace, and I hear she's dangerous, okay? Keep your eyes out and stay out of trouble.
Hello, Clyde, it's me, the Barracuda. What are you doing out here all alone? Don't you know it could be dangerous? Someone can sneak up behind you and choke you!
Yeah! I caught you red-handed, trying to choke my partner Clyde.
No, I wasn't.
Wasn't she? Yeah. That's right. Now, do you have any idea what happens to bad barracudas in San Diego?
What?
Fine, show her.
You spank them?
No, just our bad barracudas, duh.
Aw, anything but that. Clyde's just being dramatic. All you have to do is touch him very gently right on the chest.
Touch him on the chest?
Yep.
Here? Here? No, okay, that's ridiculous. You're just too much. You know, Barracuda, but that still doesn't excuse the fact that we all know you stole that fish. Confess.
Never.
Right, Clyde? Okay. Look at that! If you after all.
No, it was that
Otariidae! Come on, Clyde.
Messages. For refreshment, real refreshment, there's nothing better than a delicious, sparkling, ice-cold soft drink. Remember, your favorite snack will taste especially good with a soft drink.
And now, a very special public service announcement.
Hi there.
I am local theme park celebrity, Biff. You may recognize me from such shows as the one you're watching right now. Thank you. I enjoy pop and churros and long walks on the beach. But this one time I saw a sick and injured sea lion pup who was all by himself. And I didn't know who to call for help because I was too afraid to ask. But today, I still don't know who to call. So can somebody help me out, please?
Hey, Biff, we can help!
Oh, great!
Hi, folks, I'm sea lion trainer Jenna, and here with me playing the role of Seymour today is Ozzy. Ozzy's a 6-year-old male California sea lion, and he already weighs an impressive 330 pounds. Now, sea lions, just like Ozzy, are a common sight along our west coast. Sometimes they can get into trouble, and they're often found on our local beaches sick, injured, and sometimes starving. Now, sea lions are the #1 rescued animal by our SeaWorld rescue team, with the main goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the ocean. This year, we've already come to the aid of over 200 marine mammals. Thank you. So if you guys see a sick and injured animal, go ahead and give us a call because we can help. For more information on our rescue efforts, please visit SeaWorldCares.com. It's our goal here at Sea Lions Live to show you just how amazing these animals really are. So Biff, who are you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
No, Biff.
Oh, SeaWorld. SeaWorld, of course. Thanks, guys. I learned a lot today. The more you know.
And now, we return to our regularly scheduled programming.
Hello there! I am Jeff Probing, and this is Survival Mission Bay! Today we bring you the desperate efforts of 2 tribes determined to win a boatload of fish and the title of Ultimate Survivaler. Now, as you know on the island, fire means life, but we're not allowed to play with fire anymore. So let's just meet our tribes. Competing first from the Pinniped tribe, their team captain and emotional center, it's Seymour. And from the Salafis tribe, their team captain and lazy layabout, it's Clyde. Today's immunity challenge will test our competitors' skills and stamina. Seymour, you will go first. We have the coconut, so let's get started.
All right, Seymour, this is our challenge, is to take this coconut up and over that bamboo bar. But first, we need to make it all the way on over to Ghost Island. And he's off, ladies and gentlemen, at top speed. Very nice, Seymour. We're off to a great start. Now, all that's left to do is catch. A little showing off. Let's see it. Beautiful. And he's off, ladies and gentlemen. Cheer Seymour on as he takes the coconut all the way down the lagoon and up and over the bamboo bar. He's done it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Seymour. All right, Clyde, top that.
That shouldn't be a problem. All right, Clive, this is what we're going to do. We're going to head over to Redemption Island, and as soon as that happens, you're going to take this. Hold on one second, dude. I'm speaking. So, what? Okay, dude, what's going on? Okay, you're right.
Well, what is he saying?
He went, blah, 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 blah. And then he went, I don't know, he's a sea lion. Right? Okay. All right, we're gonna win this competition all the way up to Redemption, whatever island. There you go, sir. Now here's the first thing. Please balance this coconut on your nose. Here you go. Ready? Balance. Okay, so now you hit the water.
He
And
dropped
then you start
it.
swimming down the...
It's in the water.
Yo, bro, come on, man. Everyone's watching. Don't be a chicken chump. We're back on track, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get for Clyde. He's got the coconut on his nose. He'll travel down and watch this. Everyone quiet. All the way up and over. The bamboo bar! Ladies and gentlemen, this counts. This is my best friend. His name's Clyde.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for Tribal Council. Who will be voted off the island, Clyde or Seymour? Will the jury please cast their votes? Oh, I'll remind you that the word of the jury is final, and whosever name I read must leave the island immediately. Hey, it looks like we have a verdict. Thank you, furry jury. Who is going home this week on Survival Mission Bay? It's Biff! All right, Biff, pack your things because you're... Wait, but I'm Biff.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, but you can't vote me off the island because I am the host of the show.
Opie Otter!
Opie!
Okay. Hey, I guess we'll be seeing you both next time on Survival Mission Bay.
And we're back to the season finale of Dancing with the Pinnipeds. Last week we saw one of America's favorites pack up her dancing shoes for good. Who will live to dance another day? Up first, swinging onto that stage and into your lives, it is Sam and Seymour. That was some fancy flipper work indeed. But up next, to Argentine tango into your hearts. Please put your hands and flippers together for Clyde and Chris. Oh. Nice tangoing. Hey, let's hear it again for them. But that still begs the question of who will go home with this ugly mirror ball trophy. We will soon crown our dancing champion. But first, sharing the stage together one last time. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Clyde and Seymour.